Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my YouTube channel that's dedicated to my journey with watches. Please do take note, I am not a watch expert. I am more of a hobbyist and enthusiast. Now with that said, this is my unboxing of the signature G-Shock of NBA player Rui Hachimura. He is the first ever Japanese national to be ever selected in an NBA draft and is currently playing for the Washington Wizards. We're going to unbox the piece, put it on wrist, take a closer look, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Let's go! By the way, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the watch. Let's jump right into it. So as you guys can see, it comes in this really nice premium looking black box. You have Rui Hachimura's logo here, which is actually designed by his mother. So H stands for Hachi, I think, which is like 8 in Japanese counting. And then there is a samurai sword cutting across it, which kinda, I think, goes into his persona of the Black Samurai. If you flip the box over, you have his name and then G-Shock, and of course his jersey number over here, number 8. Just like G-Shock boxes of watches like this one, you have an inner box and then another packet for the manuals. You have again that Black Samurai logo at the top, and if you pop it open, you have his name, his signature, and then ba-bam, you have the watch itself. Now, if you remove the pillow with the watch, before we get to the piece, there is something written beneath it and it says, "My time." And so now let's take a closer look at the piece. So this one uses the G-Shock GST B100 model for this collaboration. Now, to be honest, I'm not a huge Rui Hachimura fan. The only reason why I really gravitated towards this piece and why I ended up buying it was primarily because of how amazing and how epic it looked. So it had some sort of like steampunk vibe with that giant bezel and case. You have the big text engraved at the top of that gold metallic plate that says G-Shock. You have the functions written on each corner: mode, light, find, and then connect. And of course it says there at the bottom, a shock resist. Now if you take a closer look at the bezel, there's a lot going on because truth be told, pieces like this aren't just made to tell time. There are a lot of functionalities that you can explore and discover if you spend a few minutes after opening the box, going through the manual, or watching a couple of instructional videos about the piece. Let's go over the details of the watch face. Now, first and foremost, you have the 8 o'clock marker marked red, which is to signify, of course, his number, his jersey number in the NBA. You have this red turbine over here on the 9 o'clock position, which apparently, if used properly, can give you or can indicate how much battery you have left. You have a sub-dial at the 6 p.m. position, which gives you another world time that you can monitor and track. So you can track 2 time zones. And the 12 o'clock dial is actually the mode button. So every time you press the mode button on the upper right corner, you can cycle through the different functions. You have a stopwatch, you have a timer, you can set alarms. Of course, you have the standard day calendar mode. Now, to add more to that, you even have a date window in between the 4 and 5 p.m. markers. Other features include, of course, lighting up. There is an LED light built in. You can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. That opens up a bunch of other functionalities, which includes this find button over here, which apparently allows you to ping your phone if it's connected, if you're trying to find it, and vice versa. And 2 more things, the watch is solar powered and it is water resistant up to 200 meters. Now, you also have the Rui Hachimura logo here at the back. So you have it over there, that H with the samurai sword, and you also have it with this particular part of the watch, which holds the clasp together if you put it on your wrist. Now, overall, this piece is definitely not for everyone. It's chunky, it's big, it's kind of loud with the combination of the gold, black, and red colors. But hey, if you are a fan of Rui, or if you just love the vibe that the piece is giving off, then you might want to consider getting yourself one. There are not a lot of models available in the Philippines, so if you want like a semi-limited piece that makes you kind of unique with what's on your wrist, and you are a G-Shock fan, especially with all the various functionalities that you can maximize from this watch, then you might want to consider getting one. This retails for around 24, 25, I forgot the exact price. Got it again from at Tokyo, from their branch over at Podium, 2nd floor. Check them out. Look for Ricky, and look for Daisy. Those guys are really awesome. Shout out nga pala sa kanilang dalawa. So what do you guys think of the Rui Hachimura G-Shock. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the piece. I'll try to reply to as many comments as possible. And with that said, that wraps up my quick unboxing vlog. I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. God bless everyone, and I hope you all have a productive, meaningful, and amazing week up ahead. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.